Hello lovely student, welcome to Silence Classes e-learning platform. This is the third part of the chapter pattern in mathematics of class 6. We are solving the NCERT new book, that is Ganita Prakash. Okay. Previous two videos related to this particular topic you will get in the playlist. You guys can go and check it out. Please watch that particular video so you will able to understand this particular topic in the easiest manner possible. Okay, I've explained each and everything in the easiest manner possible. Okay, so you guys can understand each and every topic and you can do each and every question by yourself. Now let's move. What the next topic is relation amongst the number sequences. Sometimes number sequence can be related to each other in surprising ways. Let's check it out. What is exactly saying. Example is saying what happens when you start adding an odd numbers. Okay, means if you are having an odd numbers, if you add those numbers, what will happen? If there is a 1, you will get 1 only. If you will add 1 plus, means the next odd number, that is 3. If you add 3 in 1, you will get 4. If you add 1 plus 3 plus 5, mean these are the 3 odd numbers, you will get 9. Again, if you will add the next odd number in this, you will get 16, again 25 and 36 and so on, you will move. Okay, so if you watch what these numbers, what sort of answers what you are getting, these are the perfect squares. These are the perfect squares. Means whenever we will add two consecutive, or you can say two consecutive odd numbers, okay, you will get a number that is the perfect square. Okay, because 4 is the square of 2, 9 is the square of 3, 16 is the square of 4, and 25 is the square of 5, and 36 is the square of 6. 6 is a 36. So you will get the perfect square numbers if you will add in this particular manner. Okay, there is one sequence you can check it out, that whenever you are adding the number, means whenever you are adding two numbers, you are getting the square of 2. Whenever you are adding three numbers, we are getting the square of 3. Whenever I am adding 4 numbers, 1 2 3 4, we are getting square of 4. Once we are adding 1 2 3 4 5, we are getting the square of 5. 1 2 3 4 5 6, if we are adding the 6 numbers, means we are getting the square of 6. Like this, if we add 7 numbers, okay, 7 odd numbers, means we will get the square of 7. Okay, 7 7 is 49. Okay, like this we will get. Now let's check it out. The 6 numbers has been added over here. We got 36. 36 plus, let's add the next odd number, is 13. So what we will get? 49. Okay, means the answer is absolutely correct. Means whatsoever numbers, means how many numbers you are adding, you will get exactly square of that particular number. Okay, so this is the beauty of this patterns, or you can say the sequence. Okay, you will get something in this particular new book of NCERT. You will understand each and everything in this particular manner only. You don't have to mug up the things now. You have to understand that what sort of patterns, okay, you are getting in whatsoever, if you are using some numbers, whatsoever patterns are there in that particular number sequence or anything. Okay, now let's move to the, and if you want, we can also draw, if we can show with the squares also, picture it by the picture. Okay, by, you can say 1, next number is 4, means 1 2 3 4, you get the perfect square. Next number is 9, again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, you can check it out, the perfect square is there. Okay, 16, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16, you can check it out, the perfect square number is there. Okay, means if you made the picture, if in the question it is written that show this particular thing, okay, with the help of picture or the diagram, you can show this particular in this particular way. Okay, now let's move to the next part. By drawing a similar picture, can you say what is the sum of the first 10 odd numbers? I've already told you, first 10 odd numbers. 10 odd numbers means 10 square, because whatsoever numbers we are adding, we get the square of that particular number. Okay, we will get 100. 10 multiplied by 10 is equals to 100. Means how many dots, or we can say the number we will get, 100. Okay, but we have to draw a similar picture, okay, like that. So let's draw it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29 30 31 32 33 34 35 36 37 38 39 40 41 42 43 44 45 47 48 49 50 51 52 53 54 55 56 57 58 59 60 61 62 63 64 65 66 67 68 69 70 71 72 73 74 75 76 77 78 79 80 81 82 83 84 85 86 87 88 89 90 91 92 93 94 95 96 97 98 99 and 100. Okay, by this you have to represent to a similar picture. You can say that the sum of the 10 odd number is this much, so you can check it out. It will come 100 only. I have done 100 dots and it is a perfect square. You can check it out. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 digit 10 dots are over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 dots are over here. So you got the perfect square. Okay, and you will get the perfect square, and this is the answer. This is how you have to show it, okay, by using the picture, or you can say the diagram. Okay, this is the way you have to do it. Now the next question is asking, now by imagining the similar picture, by the picture which we have drawn over here, or by drawing it partially as needed, can you say what is the sum of the 100 odd numbers? Means now we have to talk about 100 odd numbers. If we will able to draw that particular diagram, it will become very big. Okay, so you can write it down in this particular manner. 100 multiplied by 100, we will get exactly 10,000. So 10,000 dots, making 10,000 dots are not easy. Okay, so like this you have to say this. Okay, and 100 dots, you can say these 100, or these dots are 100 over here. 100 dots, like 10,000 dots are there in the square, in that particular square. Okay, but you got by this particular explanation, that you got that whenever the number whatsoever number has been taken, means if you are adding 200 odd numbers, so you will get the square of that 200. Okay, the sum you will get the 200 square. Okay, the number which you will get, that is the square of 200. If you are taking 400, means the number which you will get, that is the square of 400. Okay, now let's move to the next part. Another example of such a relation between a square adding up and down, means in that particular way also we can do, and by adding up and down we can also do that particular, we can find out the square numbers. Okay, like this. 1, if I will add 1 2 plus 1, means the number 1. Okay, then 1 plus 2, and down means down piece plus 1, we will get 4. Again 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, so we will get 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, like this, in this particular sequence it is written over here. Okay, means whatsoever number we will take it. Okay, let's check it out. The next number we will get the same things till 6 we have done. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. Okay, so we will get 3 3 6 plus 10 15 15 plus 6 21 28. Okay, 28, we will get 34 plus 5 39 plus 4, we will get 43 plus 46, and 46 47 48 49. So we will get the perfect square, that is the square of 7 sevens are 49. So next number we will got like this. Okay, by this particular manner we can also find it out. Okay, by using the addition up and down. Okay, by using the addition of up and down, we can easily find out the perfect square numbers. Okay, it seems to be given yet another way to getting the square numbers. Okay, this is another way. Okay, the first way I have already told you. Okay, the odd addition of the odd numbers. Okay, and this is another way, up and down. Okay, the sequence of up and down. Okay, so in this particular way we can also do the same pictorial diagram. We can also make over in this particular diagram also, in this particular thing also. Okay, we can do that. Now let's move to figure it out. Okay, means the question. What the question number 1 is saying, can you find a similar pictorial explanation for why adding counting numbers up and down gives square numbers? Okay, so the numbers which is given to us 1, so we will get 1 plus 2, we will get 3. Okay, sorry, 1 plus 2 plus 1, we will get 4. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, we will get 9. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, we will get 9. We will get 16. Like this we will carry on. Okay, means we have to make a pictorial explanation in this particular manner also. So we can easily make 1, again 4, 1 2 3 4, you get the square. 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9, again a square you got. You can check it out like this. Square is perfect square is here, again the perfect square is here. Okay, now 16, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16, you will get the perfect square 16. Okay, this is the way you can do it. Okay, and this is the pictorial explanation you have to give over there. Okay, now let's move to the next part. By imagining a large version of your picture, okay, or drawing it partially as needed, you can see what will be the value of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 99 plus 100, means till 100 we are going, and again we are returning back. So we got the, I've already told you what we will get. We will get 100 square. Okay, because we are using the same pattern. Okay, the up and down pattern. So we will get 10,000. We will get 10,000 as answer. Okay, so this is the way, and this is a very large version of it, so you can exactly write it down over here that we are taking around 100 dots over here and 100 dots over here. Okay, and you can fill it out and you can check it out. Okay, because making these 100 dots, it's no, because making this 100 dots is not possible in the page. Okay, so you have to do that, but you got the explanation that whatsoever number you will add up and down, you will get the perfect square of that particular number only. So you will get the 100 square, means you will get 10,000. Okay, now let's move to the third part. What the third part is saying, which sequence do you get when you start to add the all ones sequence up? What sequence do we get when we add the sequence up and down? Okay, one sequence, what we will get means, if we will add all one sequence up, means 1, then 1 plus 1, we will get 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1, what we will get 3, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, we will get 4. Okay, so we will get the counting numbers. Okay, what we are getting the sequence of numbers, or we can say counting numbers. Okay, if we will add the sequence of all ones upward, we will get the counting numbers. Now the second question is saying, what we will do, we will add 1 in the sequence of up and down, but we only have to add 1, so there is no problem, we will write it down 1 plus 1 up and down 1, so we will get only, okay, like this only. Just a second, 1 is equals to 1. Okay, then 1 plus 1, we will get 2. Sorry, 1 plus 1 plus 1, we will get 3. Okay, in this same particular manner we have to do it. Okay, up and down, 1 down 1 up, 1 down 1 up, but the sequence are same because there is only 1. Add all ones means we have to add only 1. Okay, so we will add in this particular manner only, so we will the same counting numbers we will get. Okay, now let's move to the fourth part. Which sequence do we get when you start to add a counting numbers up? Okay, means if we add the counting numbers up, 1 plus 2, we will get 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, we will get 6, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is equals to 10, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5, we will get 15. Okay, and if you will check it out, what sort of number we are getting 1, 3, 6, 10 and 15. Okay, all these are triangular numbers. Okay, by doing this particular questions again and again, okay, by checking it out, you will able to learn that these are the numbers which can represent a square, these are the numbers which can represent triangle. So these are the triangular numbers. Okay, a small pictorial explanation we have to give. Let's check it out. So we can write it down that we will get triangular numbers. Okay, how? 1. Okay, now the next number is 3, 1, 2, 3, you can check it out, it is making a triangle. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, a perfect triangle is here. Now 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so you can check it out, I'll show you. See, it is a perfect square, sorry, perfect triangle. It is also a perfect triangle, it is also a perfect triangle. Okay, 15. Okay, now let's make it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. You can check it out. The perfect triangle you can make by these particular numbers. Okay, so this is how you have to do it. The questions are absolutely easy. Just understand the concept, what the question is trying to say. Okay, read it out the question twice if you are not understanding it once. Find it out what sort of sequence you are getting. Okay, by doing the questions again and again, you will able to understand that what sort of numbers you guys are getting. Okay, so now let's move to the next one. What happens when you add a pair of consecutive triangular numbers? Consecutive triangular numbers we have to add. That is taken 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3, what we will get? We will get 4. Again, the next number is 3 plus 6 is equals to what we will get? We will get 9. Again, 6 plus 10, what we will get? We will get 16. Now 10 plus 15, what we will get? We will get 25. So just look it out, what sort of numbers you are getting. We got 4, we got 9, we got 16, we got 25. And what are these numbers? You are absolutely correct. These are the square numbers. 4 is the square of 2. 3 is the square of 3 square is 9. Okay, and that is 4, that is 9, and 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25, like this. Okay, you are getting the square numbers if we are adding the pair of consecutive triangular numbers, then we will get the perfect square numbers. Okay. Now pictorial expression we have to do is, okay, again, first number is 4, 1 2 3 4, 9, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, you can check it out, perfect square. 16, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16. Okay, like this you can easily find it out, okay, what sort of things you are getting. I hope so you guys are understanding each and everything. I've explained each and everything in the easiest manner possible. You just have to watch it out video with the full concentration. Try to leave each and everything whatsoever you are doing. Don't write it down while watching the video. Just first of all, first time when you are watching the video, first time, put complete concentration on watching the video. Okay, don't make a note at that point of time. After once, the second time when you are watching this particular video, make a note. You will get each and everything. Okay, you can understand each and everything. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. What happens when you start to add a power of 2 starting with 1? Power of 2. Take 1. This is the sequence. What are the power of 2 numbers? It is to start from 1. 1 multiplied by 2, that is 2. 2 multiplied by 2 is, that is 4. 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. Okay, then 32, and so on. It will move like this. Okay, so once we will add, okay, now add 1 in each of these numbers. Okay, so what we will do, we will write it down. 1 plus 2 will become 3. 1 plus 2 plus 4, what we will get? We will get 7. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 is equals to, what will we get? 8 plus 10, 14, 15. Okay, like this it will move on. Once we will add, now add 1 to each of these numbers. We have to add 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So let's check it out what we will get. We will get 2. Now we will get 4. We will get 8. We will get 16. And what are these numbers? These numbers are the perfect square, means 2, 4, 8, 16. Okay, these are the perfect square numbers. So once we will add 1 in the power of 2 numbers, okay, so what we will get? We will get the square numbers. But there is one thing, we will get the square numbers from 2. It will start from 2, but we added from 1. Okay, we have taken number from 1, but whenever we will add 1 in it, okay, on the square numbers we will definitely get numbers from 2. Okay, now the square numbers start from 2. This is the one thing, okay, you have to do. What numbers you will get? We will get the square numbers. Okay, why does this happen? Because we have added 1 in it. Okay, so whatsoever numbers we are getting, we will add in 1, so we will get this perfect square numbers. Okay, this is the way we have to represent in this particular manner. Okay, now let's move to the next. Next question. Next question is, what happens when you multiply a triangular number by 6? Okay, first of all we will write it down, the triangular numbers. Triangular numbers are 1, we will get 3, we will get 6, we will get 10, we will get 15. Okay, so these are the triangular numbers, and so on. So what we will add, if we will multiply these triangular number by 6, means 1 multiplied by 6, what we will get? 3 multiplied by 6, 6 multiplied by 6, 10 multiplied by 6, and so on. 6 1 is 6, 3 6 is 18, 6 6 is 36, and 60, and add 1 in it, plus 1. Now we have to add 1 in it. So what's our number? What we will get? We will get 7, we will get 19, we will get 37, and we will get 61. And once we are, if you have watched my previous videos, so these numbers, that 7, 19, 37 and 61 are 37 and 61 are hexagonal numbers. If you will check it out, these are the hexagonal numbers. So let's check it out, because we have to make a picture of it. Now I'll prove it out how. Make a first dot. Okay, now 1 2, then we have to fill the gap. 1 2 3 4. Okay, what number we will get? 6. Check it out. 1 2 3 4 5 6. We made a perfect hexagon. Now 19. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19. Now let's check it out. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, having the 6 sides means it is a perfect hexagonal numbers. Okay, like this you can make 37 and 61. Okay, I'll explain how we have to make. First of all, made the first dot over here, then the next dot 1 over here, and the other side 2. Now 3. Now we have to fill the gap. 1 over here, 2 3 4, like this. Again you have to move over here, 1 2, then again fill the gap, 1. Okay, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, like this you have to make a hexagon. Okay, this is the way that you have to make the hexagon. So please be very careful, okay, while making the hexagon. Okay, because making the hexagon is little bit difficult, so please understand that how we have to fill the gaps. Okay, now let's move to the next question. What happens when you start to add up hexagon numbers like 1 plus 7, 1 plus 7 plus 19, 1 plus 7 plus 19 plus 37? Which sequence do we get? Okay, so now let's check it out. 1, so 1 plus 7 we will get 8. 1 plus 7 plus 19 we will get 27. 1 plus 7 plus 19 plus 37. Okay, so what we will get? Now let's add it out. 37 19 7 and 1. 10 17 17 plus 7 18 19 20 21 22 23 and 24. Okay, 3 4 5 and 6 means we will get 64. Now let's check it out. What are these exactly numbers are showing? These are the cubes. These are the cube of the numbers. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 we will get 8. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 we will get 27. 4 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 4 we will get 64. So these are the cube numbers. These are the cube numbers. Okay, so which sequence do we get? We got the cube numbers. What sort of sequence we will get? We got the cube numbers. Can you explain it using a picture of a cube? Yes, absolutely we can do that. So you can check it out. The cube is over here. Now let's find it out. How we can check it out? We can look it out the border of these cubes. Okay, 1. I'll draw over here for you. 1. Again from here 2, like this. 2 3 3. Okay, or sorry, we don't have to take this one, we have to take this one. 3 3 4 4 5, then 5. Okay, like this. 5 and 6 6. So how many sides we got from this particular cube? If we will look it out like in this particular way, if we remove this part, okay, if we color this part, so what you will get? You will get a perfect hexagon over here. Okay, so if you will check it out the cube, okay, it will look like an hexagon. And if you will look like this hexagon, okay, so if you will add these, you will get the perfect cube. Okay, this is the center point over here. From we will start like this, we will add like this one, this one, like this and this. So what you will get? You got the perfect cube. So by using this, we got that if you will look it out the cubes, if you check it out the borders, it will look like an hexagon. And if you will check it out the hexagon and we will meet the points, all the points of the hexagon, we will get the perfect cube. Okay, like this we have to show in this. Now let's check it out the last part of this. Find your own pattern or relation in and among the sequence of table number 1, can you explain by what happened in the picture or otherwise? Means in the table number 1, we have already done many things over there. The sequence, the counting numbers are there, even numbers are there, odd numbers are there. Okay, so if I will add from there, we can put it out that if we will add the odd numbers, we can get the perfect square numbers. If I will add the sequence of numbers, means 1. Okay, 1 plus 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. So we will get 1 2, we will get 3, we will get 6, and we will get 10. all these numbers are the triangular numbers. Okay, so we get the triangular numbers. We can show the picture as well. So 1 1 2 3, perfect triangle. 1 2 3 4 5 6 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. You can check it out. So by using the sequence or the counting numbers, by adding the counting numbers, okay, we will get the perfect triangle numbers, and you can check it out in this particular way, and we have already done. Okay, and if you will add the odd numbers, we will get the perfect square number. So you can also represent by that also. Okay, in this particular question, it has been asked from table number 1. If you have watched my previous video, so over there I have explained the table number 1 in the easiest manner possible. You can check it out. If you haven't watched it, please go, okay, and watch it out. The first part of this particular video, over there I have explained in the easiest manner possible. Okay, so yet the chapter, these figure it out questions is completed, yet the chapter is not completed. The last part of this particular chapter is left. Okay, so you can watch it. Okay, that is the last part, okay, of this particular chapter. Okay, so we will meet in the next video. Have a wonderful day ahead, guys. Bye bye, take care. I hope you guys understood what I am trying to say. Watch the video twice. First of all, don't make a note. If you are watching the video first time, try to understand each and every concept. Please do like and subscribe my channel, share with your friends. Okay, have a wonderful day ahead, guys. Bye bye, take care.